Well, well, I think we've
That's got it.
That's got it.
That's got it.
well, howdy, folks. Welcome to another of Bob and Bob's tutorials. How to do DIY little jobs around your house or your estate. Now, we've been trimming these trees here to make sure there ain't no dangerous logs. Now, what you need to do is you got to be sure you keep a very good sharp blade on your chainsaw.
Right.
Bob,
Sure thing.
you got a little special tool there, ain't you?
Well, I do, Bob. I do.
Now, see here, this little outfit, you can get one of these from any good hardware store, and that's gonna do that. That's a lot of
Holy Mother of Christ! What the hell's going on? Jesus Christ! Holy hell, You okay? Are you okay, boys, in there? Oh.
We got the wrong branch, Mama.
Oh, gee. Hey, Brad, turn that damn thing on.